Catus Maximus here. Ran into this. An old actual American-made American lock, combination lock. So this is like a standard, high school locker combination lock. Before Master Lock actually bought them, see? This is probably from the 90s. And the deal was these, I believe, were just a little bit higher build quality than the actual Master Locks. They were pretty premium here. Let's get, already pre-cut this. They've been using the bulletproof packaging for a real long time. And just thought it was kind of interesting to run into an old American lock that was actually still made in America. I wonder if the lifetime warranty is still good. Anyway, it's supposed to have a auto scrambler, so when you relock it, it spins the wheel a little bit. They were proud of it. They have made in USA twice on the packaging. They didn't put they should put a little red mark there, so it'd be just a little bit easier to turn the dial or tune in the dial. Has this through pin on the back. We actually have a fine stamping American lock. Good old Crete, Illinois. They even have another made in USA. They were real proud of it. So I guess we twist it around. Go to 33. 18. And then back to 34. Nice little snap there. Not a whole lot else to say. It is a cheaper lock. Does appear to be a cast zinc or cast aluminum internals. The locking pawl actually has flat sides, and that's to help reduce people using thin pieces of sheet metal to try to bypass the lock. And surprisingly enough, pretty good tolerances. It's actually a pretty tight fit, pretty tight hole, so you'd only be able to get a very thin, maybe a couple thousandths, 3/1000 piece of sheet metal in there in the first place, and that may not be rigid enough to actually push the lock mechanism in. And that may be one reason why people said these were a little bit better than the Master Locks, is that you can tell that it has a very stiff spring, so hitting this with a hammer may be less likely to cause it to pop open, which is something that's known about these, as well as that shimming attack. It's still just a basic lock. Appears to be a stainless steel outer case over that cast zinc internal. But still kind of neat just to find an old American one like this. And we'll open it one more time. 33. 18. 34. There we go. And if we do lock it, it turns the wheel a tiny amount just from like the mechanism bumping it. I guess that's so if you lock it, somebody can't just immediately go up and pull it to be unlocked. Or pull it open, I should say. Just a basic old combination lock from American, back when they were indeed made in America and had at least decent manufacturing tolerances. Thanks for watching.